Hey everyone. So what I wanted to show everyone is this little travel coffee kit that I put together. I'm currently on tour with my band and thought this would be a perfect opportunity to try it out, make a little video, and show how basically this little tiny bag is an all-in-one little coffee system. So, what's in the bag? So in here, I have some coffee and the AeroPress Go Plus, along with the bottom of my catch cup for my grinder handle, a thermometer, and a heating element for the water. And I even have like a little stir stick in here and a set of scales, which perfectly fits the AeroPress, by the way. So yeah, that's basically all you need. All comes in this little tiny travel bag that I bought at Amazon. So what's in this kit? What's kind of cool is that I have the AeroPress Go, but also because of the AeroPress itself, I'm able to fit the body of the grinder that I'm using. The whole thing actually fits in, but then it doesn't collapse. It's like maybe an inch or two too long, but the body, the main section, will fit inside the AeroPress plunger. This is an Easy Presso Q Air grinder, hand grinder. And then the whole AeroPress fits inside the tumbler. And so this is basically how they sell it. They sell it like this, right? And so you press your coffee into the tumbler and then you can take it on the go with you. What's also very, very neat is that at the bottom here, they include filters for you, which is very helpful. And that's built right into the base there. So you have your AeroPress, and I put my grinder together. This is already set up for AeroPress grind. And there we go. And the cool thing about this, I think, is that this I can, because it comes with a stainless steel thermos, you put your water in here. So that's the only thing you need to pick up is water, which I got from the gas station. This is spring water, so I'm hoping there's enough mineral concentration to make it well. I also carry with me, in case I'm on a longer tour, these third wave water packets. I'll go to the grocery store and buy a gallon of undistilled water, and I'll just use that for the week that I'm on tour. But this tour is only like 2 days, so I'm just gonna make my coffee this morning. But yeah, you can put this little heater in here, and it heats the water in the tumbler. And then when you're ready, when you have the hot water and you brew inverted, you just pour the water in from the top, and then you have your AeroPress. And then throughout, discard any left, and then you plunge it back into your brewing device. So it's pretty brilliant. It's a pretty nice little compact system. So I'm gonna get started on the water first, because that takes the most amount of time. Obviously, if you're at a place that has a kettle, that's great too, but this hotel does not have a kettle. So I'm gonna pour in some water and heat it up. And we will be back in a jiffy. Oh, and also, I did include a thermometer because I don't necessarily need the water to get to boiling for the AeroPress. You know, I like it around 190 area. So this will tell me exactly when I get to 190, and then I'll just take it out. So I figured that while we're waiting for our water to come up to temp, we're gonna grind some coffee. So I got this little scale here. I'm gonna weigh 18 grams for my beans. This is an Edinson Argote SL28 from Huila, Colombia, and it's roasted by Reprise Coffee Roasters. What I also like about this scale is that it'll accommodate perfectly the plunger of the AeroPress. For this recipe, I just know that I need to grind 18 grams of coffee and then fill it all the way to the top. But if I'm doing other kind of recipes where I'm doing, like an immersion, like a concentrated brew and then adding in after, then I have the scale for those kind of recipes while on the road. But I'm just gonna do it simple today, 18 grams in, water up to the top, and yeet out. All right, so my water is coming up to temp. So I'm just about ready. Okay, we should be all set. So take these guys out. Also, if you get the AeroPress Go Plus, they include this handy little stir stick. So it folds up, but then it opens out. And you sort of want to like these T things, and then you can just paddle it and stir it up, and then fold it back up together. So it's pretty clever, and it fits inside the plunger of the whole kit. All right, so now we're gonna stir and break up that crust that formed at the top. Make sure everything gets saturated and mixed up well. Then we're going to top it up with the rest of the water. Then I'm going to cap this. Do this. I tend to do a little swirl just to get anything that's stuck at the top. And now we're going to press down. And there you go, you have your AeroPress. You can also add some cold water to taste, and depending on your ratios. And then this thing just clicks on top and has a handy little open close thing to drink out of. So now you're able to be on tour, brew it, and take it on the go with you. So that's my little coffee setup. Thanks.